Whoa, check this one out. I'm here with Ryder, the owner of this HJ45 12th month 1978, and what a lucky lad to have this as a rig. This is a father-son project, and I believe you've had it for a couple of years.
Yeah.
And where did it come from?
So it actually came from Lithgow. We've had it for about 2 years, and we've just taken it down to Mr Landcruiser to get the disc brake front end conversion.
That's cool, and that's what it's here for. So we've just done the disc brakes. So 1978, it's got the drum brakes, most people probably know. So we've put the 47 disc brakes on there. We've upgraded the booster to a 80 series booster. We do this mod a lot. It's stuff we keep on the shelf. Now this bad boy is going to stop in the rain. It's going to stop when he's wheeling or going downhill in the wet. So very cool upgrade. We're just going to take a quick look inside, and I'll talk about inside, and come check out Ryder's truck. So there's not a great deal of show and tell in here at the moment, but there's still lots to talk about. This is a very clean truck. It's pretty much rust-free, something you're not going to find too often anymore. They've really got onto a good one here. Father and son, they've already put rust converter on the floor. There was no rust to cut out. It's all steel. Everything's a steel panel. Got to love an unmolested dash. It's got the retro stereo in there. And today when they leave Mr Landcruiser, they're picking up the seats all reupholstered. So the next time we see this one, she'll be a little bit shinier inside. I'm sure there'll be a few other mods too. How cool's inside? Let's go check out the engine. So there's a little bit of show and tell here. The old H engine. Something about this one, I can't show and tell, you can't see it, but when it first come here, and Ryder's dad started this vehicle, it was such minimal blow-by. You're not going to find a better H engine than this one. And H engines are getting hard to find parts for, so you really scored a good one here, Ryder. It's mint. And as you can see, we've got the 80 series booster going on. Otherwise, it's pretty original spec here. Talking about original spec, you're a young lad, your first car is 45.
Yeah.
What's the future plans?
Well, I'm going to get a turbo from Whistling Soot in the airbox.
Nice
I'm going
move.
to put a highway visor on it.
Yep.
Put the seats back in, get my TrueFit carpets, put
Yep.
them in.
Have you ordered your carpets? Are they a carpet or a vinyl?
They're a vinyl and they're on their way.
Yep, I've got mine on my way too. I've ordered the exact same product. It's a pretty cool product.
Yeah,
You'll be happy with them.
And put the genuine bumper bar on.
Yep, so that's another thing. While it was here, we've supplied a bumper and a number plate holder, all genuine stuff. It's going to look pretty neat.
Yeah.
This is a very clean car. For its age, the panels are in exceptional condition. There's only a few little wobbles along it, so you've got to be very happy with this project. So now you've found us, I'm sure Mr Landcruiser will be helping you out a lot in the future. Very nice build. You're also thinking of a 5-speed, you said earlier.
Yeah, definitely a 5-speed. That'll be going in.
Great upgrade.
Yeah.
So watch this space. This is a really nice blank canvas. They don't get much nicer than this. Reminds me of a couple that I've bought, and it's what you want to start with a car. So Ryder's one lucky young man, and he's got a very cool dad. This is, watch this space. This is their project.